V, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. This is another crypto video about a smart contract called Troncase, and as I promised you guys, I told you I'll be updating, I'll be documenting my journey through the smart contract, and today is day number 5. If I'm to take a look at on my YouTube channel, I last did a video on day number 3 yesterday. I didn't make a video. So when I looked up on how things are going, I tried to change my view on this, and I'll be making a video every after a day. So I made a video on day number 3. Day number 4 I didn't do, so I'm making a video on day number 5. Day number 6 I want to make, and I will be making on day number 7, like that. So if I log into my account, you can see I've so far earned 2,312 Tron in my 4 days in the smart contract, because I don't count the first day, because the first day is when I made the deposit. So 5 days in the contract, but I've so far earned through the 4 days, and I've managed to accumulate 2,300 Tron with only 1 referral. As you can see, I'll have only 7 rewards. So this is my earnings. So if I'm to put it in Tron, 2329, let us see how much I've made in terms of US dollars. 2329, is it that? Let us check. 2319, supposed to be 1. So I've so far accumulated 150 US dollars in Troncase. So this is what I did, guys. I just made a deposit on day 1, and I started earning Tron every after 4 seconds. Every after 4 seconds I get a payment. Every after 4 seconds I get a payment, and I can make this withdraw right now, just because I don't want to make a withdrawal. I just want to accumulate my daily rewards. So if I'm adding 2.3, this one is going to change when it reaches 0.5. I'll be earning 2.5 a day. So that's why I'm not withdrawing, because if you withdraw, it will go back to 0 here. So guys, that is my progress. I've so far earned 150 US dollars according to the value of Tron, which is 0.065 in my 5 days in the smart contract. So for those of you who want to join the smart contract, I'm leaving the link in the description. Feel free to join after. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video.